Hello everyone, welcome to the How To series of Infraon SecuRA videos. In this video, we will see how to add network diagnosis template on the Infraon SecuRA tool. From the left menu, navigate to Configuration Template. Click on Add icon in the right top. A pop-up will appear. Then select the appropriate configuration template type and click on OK to open the Add page. Enter the name of the template. Select the vendor. Select the OS type. Enter the description. Then move to Template Configurations. In this page we need to provide the commands that needs to be executed in proper XML format. Please refer the operations guide to get to know about how to write template in XML format. The XML syntax for the template is the command tag. The actual command goes within this tag. There are several attributes applicable for the command tag. One such is the prompt attribute. The prompt should indicate the command results end pattern. If the prompt is not recognized in the actual command output, then the execution is suspended. Another attribute is timeout. The amount of time the tool waits for the command's output is specified here. If the output is delayed compared to the specified time, then the command is considered failed. Provide terminal length 0 to disable the pagging iTerminal. For this video we'll go with show version. The commands goes as follows. Enter show version command to show the exact version of the network device. Then move to the access control and click on visibility. Then select the users and user groups. Once all the configuration is done, click on Save to add the configuration template. From the configuration template, click on the filter icon and search for a created template for verification. Any changes required, we can edit the configuration template in future. Click on Quick Execute to attach the template for upload job. We have three options in SecuRA tool for network diagnosis. One is from device view. Then click on Others icon. In pop-up, network diagnosis options will appear. Network diagnosis. Second is from devices page, click on Actions. In pop-up, network diagnosis options will appear. From the left panel, go to Actions, click on Network Diagnosis. Network Diagnosis pages appears. Select IP address, device account, username, password, confirm password, enable password, confirm enable password. Then select Command to Execute option. Select the network diagnosis for the execution. Then click on Execute. It will open one pop-up. It will display the result of the show version. Thank you for watching.